Story Now's IT-Mate. Devastating new details coming out of a shooting in Avon from yesterday.
Police say a 4-year-old pulled the trigger. Today, a judge ordered all the guns in the house be removed. IT-Mate's Richard Essex reports.
Avon police have seized all of the guns in the house under Indiana red flag law. The owner of the guns, 25-year-old Brandon Clark, told police that he was unloading his guns when a 4-year-old grabbed one and pulled the trigger.
Police seized all the guns in the house yesterday as part of their investigation. Clark will not be able to get his hands on those firearms for at least 6 months or until a judge says otherwise. According to court records obtained by IT-Mate, the Hendricks County prosecutor and police in Avon believe Clark is dangerous and invoked Indiana's red flag law.
And so this seems to be more an issue of irresponsibility. And you can have criminal irresponsibility, and that certainly makes someone dangerous. But I believe that the red flag laws sort of envision someone who is dangerous because of a mental condition or, again, a violent propensity that is intentional and the product of mental illness.
How did a 4-year-old get their hands on a firearm? Clark told police that he was showing his sister his guns. She's interested in buying one for herself for self-protection. While he was sitting on a couch in the living room unloading one of his 3 guns, the 4-year-old grabbed one and pulled the trigger. The girl and her grandmother were injured. Clark now faces a charge of criminal recklessness with a deadly weapon. Clark told police there's no reason to have a gun if it isn't loaded.
In states like Indiana, where there are so many gun rights protections, there's very few tools for handling the careless individuals. Really, what the laws are geared towards, I believe, are the individuals with demonstrable mental health conditions that are unmedicated.
There is no mention of any health issues affecting Clark in the court records. Police and prosecutors in Indiana have been criticized for not taking full advantage of the red flag laws. Last year, Marion County prosecutor Ryan Mears failed to file the red flag law on Brandon Hall, the FedEx shooter.
They've been faulted in the past for not implementing red flag laws when they could, or underutilizing that tool. And again, we know the tool is underutilized anyways. So perhaps now we're swinging the other way and beginning to apply it in novel cases that it has not traditionally been used in.
A judge has set a hearing for October 13th where Clark can argue to get his guns back. In Indianapolis, Richard Essex, Wish TV, IT-Mate.